Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions, while hopefully making you laugh a little along the way. Today, we've got a high-flying showdown between two drones, the Ruko U11S, which we'll call Ruko, and the Chuburi Super Enduring Brushless Motor Drone, which we'll nickname Chuburi because, let's face it, no one wants to say that full name more than once. So strap in, because we're about to take off into the world of drones. Let's see which one of these bad boys will make your wallet and your heart soar. First up, the price. Ruko comes in at $283, while Chuburi is just $149. For that price difference, you could buy Chuburi and still have enough left over for a decent dinner, or a lot of snacks. So if you're on a budget and want to save some dough for pizza, Chuburi might already be winning your heart. Next, let's talk cameras. Ruko flaunts a 4K UHD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle. It's like the James Cameron of drones, ready to film your next Avatar sequel. On the other hand, Chuburi has a 2K HD camera with a 130 degrees wide-angle lens. It's not quite 4K, but hey, it's not like you're filming the next blockbuster, or are you? Reviewers love Ruko's camera quality for clear video and stills, making it a favorite among aerial photography enthusiasts. Chuburi's camera, while not 4K, is appreciated for its wide-angle lens and good quality, especially at its price point. Now, let's talk flight time. Ruko gives you 20 minutes per battery, with an extra battery giving you a total of 40 minutes. That's enough time to fly around, take some photos, and maybe even land without crashing. Chuburi, however, boasts a whopping 84 minutes with its 3 upgraded batteries. That's basically an entire feature film of flight time. Just enough to lose it on the roof and climb up to get it. Reviewers of Chuburi praise its long battery life, making it a great choice for extended playtime. Feature-wise, both drones are pretty packed. Ruko has GPS positioning, optical flow positioning, and a beginner's-friendly transmitter. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. Chuburi, though, is like the overachieving kid in class. It has one-key start landing headless mode, follow me, 3D flips, and more. It's like it's trying to win the drone Olympics. Reviewers find Ruko's features reliable and easy to use, perfect for beginners. Chuburi's multitude of features, including fun modes like 3D flips, make it a hit among users looking for more than just basic flying. Lastly, let's talk about build quality and portability. Ruko is foldable and lightweight, perfect for tossing in your backpack and heading out on adventures. Chuburi, with its brushless motors and upgraded composite material, is built to last and resist crashes better than a Hollywood stunt double. Plus, it's foldable and comes with a carrying case. So whether you're clumsy or just like to travel light, both drones have you covered. Reviewers note Ruko's compact and durable design as a plus, while Chuburi's build quality and crash resistance are highly praised. Online reviews highlight that Ruko U11S is highly valued for its camera quality, ease of use, and reliable features, making it a great choice for beginners and experienced users alike. On the other hand, Chuburi is praised for its affordability. So, there you have it. The Ruko and the Chuburi, battling it out for drone supremacy. If you're looking for top-notch camera quality and FAA compliance, Ruko is your go-to. But if you want more flight time and a ton of fun features at a lower price, Chuburi is calling your name. Which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, happy flying, and remember, Buy smart. Product links are in the description.